The coronavirus has hit Carey Hart close to home, and he's sharing his family's story. The motocross star's wife, Pink, and their 3-year-old son, Jameson, contracted COVID-19 last month and battled really rough symptoms. He opened up about their situation on SiriusXM's The Jason Ellis Show.
It was intense, they both got extremely sick. My son probably got the worst of the two of them, which kind of debunked the whole theory that this only hits old people.
Pink had serious symptoms too, which were made worse by the fact that she had a pre-existing condition, asthma.
It totally attacked her lungs and her chest, and she was having a hard time breathing.
Carey told Jason that Pink, Jameson, and their 8-year-old daughter Willow started staying at home from the first week of March and had been locked down there since. Carey had been in Florida for Daytona Bike Week, and a few days after he got home, Pink and Jameson started to get sick. They stayed there for another 10 days, and then Jameson took a turn for the worse.
He'd had extremely high body temperature. I mean, he was up around 102, 103 for, a solid 2 going on 3 weeks straight. I mean, the kid was in the bath 4 or 5 times a day trying to break his temperature.
Pink has been open about what it was like to have a child fighting COVID-19 too. She talked to author Jennifer Pasteloff about it on Instagram Live last week.
Jameson, who you just saw, had the worst of it, which
really?
There's been many nights where I've cried, and I've never prayed more in my life. It's funny. It's like at one point I heard myself saying, I thought they promised us our kids would be okay. And it's not guaranteed. That there's no one that is safe from this.
After her and Jameson's symptoms were both peaking, their whole family decided to go to Los Angeles to be closer to their doctors. Pink was the only one of them that was able to access a test, and it came back positive for the coronavirus. But later, after their symptoms slowed down, she was retested, and it came back negative. Pink first came forward with her and her son's story earlier this month in a lengthy Instagram post, and she pushed for tests to become more widely available. She wrote in part, "It is an absolute travesty and failure of our government to not make testing more widely accessible. This illness is serious and real. People need to know that the illness affects the young and the old, healthy and unhealthy, rich and poor. And we must make testing free and more widely accessible to protect our children, our families, our friends, and our communities." Pink also pledged money toward 2 worthwhile COVID-19 causes. She promised to give $500,000 to the Temple University Hospital Emergency Fund in Philadelphia, where her mom worked for 18 years. She also said she'd donate another $500,000 to the City of Los Angeles Mayor's Emergency COVID-19 Crisis Fund. She added, "Thank you to all of our healthcare professionals and everyone in the world who are working so hard to protect our loved ones. You are the heroes. These next 2 weeks are crucial. Please stay home. Please stay home."